Your phone has been at 1% for 20 minutes. It's lying to you. Let's find out why. That battery percentage? It's not a measurement, it's a guess. And old batteries make your phone guess badly. Batteries wear out after about 500 charges, roughly 2 years. After that, weird stuff starts happening. iPhone users, settings, battery health. Below 80%? There's your problem. Android? Check settings, then battery, or grab a free app like AccuBattery. It tells you the truth your phone won't. Battery's healthy? Then meet suspect number 1, your screen. It drinks more power than everything else combined. Suspect 2, background apps. Social media keeps refreshing while you sleep. They never rest. Suspect 3 is sneaky. Weak signal. One bar makes your phone shout louder to reach the tower, burning battery fast. Easy fixes first. Restart your phone and update your software. Yes, really, it works more often than you'd think. Then, lower brightness, shorten screen timeout, and switch off background refresh for apps you barely use. Now, the 1% fix. Let it die completely. Charge to 100. Then leave it plugged in 1 extra hour. That recalibrates the battery meter. Do it twice and your phone finally learns to count again. Still dying fast with health under 80%? Replace the battery. 50 to 100 bucks beats buying a whole new phone. Keep your next battery happy. Avoid heat, avoid hitting zero, and hang out between 20 and 80% when you can. So, check the health, catch the culprits, recalibrate. Your phone can count to 100 again. Subscribe for more easy fixes.